Hey makers, so wanted to show you direct cut and why the scanner is such a game changer with the ScanNCut. It's just a page of white A4 paper and I've designed these stickers and printed them out just on my Canon office printer. So whatever you print on, it will scan. So I'm going to place this on the mat. Make sure that's nice and stuck down. It doesn't matter where it is on the mat, the scanner will read the whole mat. So that is on there, and I'm going to go scan, direct cut, and I want it from the machine, not from Wi-Fi. Yes, we'll scan, press start, start. So it'll feed that sheet through now and scan what's on it. Okay, so it's scanned, it's just recognising, and there we have it on the screen. So that is a copy of the mat. And what I'm going to say is I'm going to say OK. And then it's going to give me this red box with these arrows so I can drag and let it know which areas I'm concentrating on. So all this mess here is because I have a very old mat, which by the looks of that, I do keep saying I need to clean it. There we go. So I want the scanner to just focus on the A4 page, and you'll see it's got a black line around the stickers, and that's it picking up the edge of those. So preview to make sure, get rid of that stuff I don't need, and yes, there we have it. So OK. And now what I can do is I can decide to cut those out exactly as they are. Let me move that for you. Or I can give it an offset line, which if I do 1 mil here, you should be able to see the black line will just give it, it will give it a little extra offset from the line that it's traced. And you can whack that up as much as you like. So let's go down. Oh, I'm in minus. There we go. So cut directly. OK. Yes, no more changes. And I'm going to go cut or draw. I'm going to say cut. And it's all set to auto, so it's going to take 3 minutes. The pressure is auto, the speed is 5, which is just its basic, and half cut is off. Half cut is when you are cutting vinyl and you don't want to cut through all the material, just the top line, or when you're cutting through a sticker sheet, which obviously I could print these onto and create stickers. So if I just say start, I'll drag that in and start cutting around those shapes. So it cut all of those out of paper, followed the line there. I gave it a 1 mil offset line the next time I did it, and I printed onto A4 sticker paper, and did exactly the same thing with that 1 mil offset. And I now have this, a sheet of stickers ready to go, perfectly cut. You can see that offset there in comparison to that one that was cut on the line. These are ready to go.